Welcome. In this lesson, we will derive the formula for solving a quadratic equation. After deriving the formula step by step, we will solve one example using the formula. The general quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Here, a must not be 0. Otherwise the equation will not remain quadratic. The constants are a, b, and c. Our goal is to find the values of x. Before deriving the formula, let us understand the plan. First, divide by a, so that the coefficient of x squared becomes 1. Second, complete the square. This means we will convert part of the expression into a perfect square. Then we will move constants to the right side, take square root, and simplify. The supporting identity is p plus q whole square equals p squared plus 2pq plus q squared. We start with the standard quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now divide every term by a. This makes the coefficient of x squared equal to 1. Now move c by a to the right side. So the left side has only x squared in the x term. To complete the square, we use this form. X squared plus 2px plus p squared equals x plus p whole square. Now compare x squared plus b by ax with x squared plus 2px. So 2p is equal to b by a. Therefore p is equal to b by 2a. Now square p, so p squared is b by 2 a whole square. Add the square value to both sides, because we are working with an equation. Now we convert the left side into a perfect square using the identity. This completed expression is now ready to become x plus b by 2 a whole square. The left side becomes x plus b by 2 a whole square. Now simplify the right side using common denominator 4a squared. After combining, we get b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a squared. Now we take square root on both sides. We use this rule. Start with the square form obtained in the previous step. Taking square root gives plus or minus square root of the right side. Square root of 4a squared is 2a, so the right side simplifies. Now subtract b by 2a from both sides. Finally combine the two fractions. This gives the quadratic formula. Therefore, the formula for solving a quadratic equation is x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. This formula gives the roots of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. The expression b squared minus 4ac is called the discriminant. Now let us see all formula simplification steps together on one screen. These are the complete steps, from standard form to the final quadratic formula. Now let us solve one example using the quadratic formula. Solve m squared minus 14m plus 13 equals 0. We will use the formula m equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now compare the equation with ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. First identify the values of a, b, and c. Compare m squared minus 14m plus 13 equals 0 with the standard form. So a is 1, b is negative 14, and c is 13. Now find the discriminant. The discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Substitute b equals negative 14, or equals 1, and c equals 13. Negative 14 squared is 196, and 4 into 1 into 13 is 52. Therefore, the discriminant is 144. Now substitute the values in the quadratic formula. Put b equals -14, discriminant equals 144, and a equals 1. Negative of -14 becomes +14. And square root of 144 is 12. Now we separate the plus and minus cases. Using the plus sign, m equals 14 plus 12 divided by 2, which is 13. Using the minus sign, m equals 14 minus 12 divided by 2, which is 1. Now let us see the entire solution on one screen. The values of a, b, and c are substituted into the formula and simplified to get the two roots. Let us summarize. Start with the standard quadratic equation. Divide by a and complete the square. Take square root on both sides and simplify. This gives the quadratic formula. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. And subscribe for more mathematics animations.